Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Survey UI logic in Typeform step by step clearly. To set up Survey UI logic in Typeform, start by logging into your Typeform account. Create a new Typeform or open an existing one that you want to edit. Navigate to the Questions tab on the left side of the screen. Select the question you want to apply logic to. Click on the Logic button located in the question settings. Choose Add Logic Jump from the drop-down menu. Select the condition that will trigger the logic jump. For example, if a respondent answers yes, you can create a path based on their choice. Specify which question the respondent should go to next if the condition is met. You can also set up a different path for when the condition is not met. Keep in mind that you can create multiple logic jumps for a single question. After setting up your logic jumps, review and test them to ensure they work as intended. To preview your Typeform, click on the Preview button in the top right corner of the screen. Take the survey yourself to see how the logic flows based on different answers. Adjust any logic jumps as necessary based on your testing. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes. Finally, publish your Typeform to make the changes live. Now your Survey UI logic is successfully set up in Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.